Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can download the Dark and Darker's 5th alpha playtest. As some of you might not know how to use the link and how to download it. So first you want to download this Qubit torrent. I will put a link on the description so you can go to that site and download it. So once you're in that site, just click on the downloads tab and then find the one where it fits your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I'll be downloading the Windows. And then it will put you on the site, and then just click the very first one right here. And then I'm just gonna quickly let this download and set it up really quick. Once that is done, I will be copying the link that is provided on the Discord usually, but then at the moment it's not really available and I cannot really see it. I believe they might have just removed it. So I will just put this link on the description so you guys can copy it. And now here, once you have the Qubit torrent downloaded, just click on the file and then click this option, and automatically it will paste the link that you just copied, and then you can start the download. And that is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.